Evaluating the logarithm, we have log base 4, x plus 3, x minus 3 equals to 2. What do we have next? We have our x plus 3, x minus 3, and our 4 is going to pick up the 2. That will be 4 raised to the power 2. Now, from this, we have differences of 2 square. Differences of 2 square is giving us s squared minus 9 equals to 16. 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. Finally, we have what? X squared will be equals to 16 plus 9. S squared will be equals to 25. Taking the root of both sides, x is equals to 5 plus